Hi, Moy. Hi, Dr. Love. Grabe. Ay, wait lang pala. 30 yun nakuha niya, no? Ay, hindi. 5 lang pala. Lugi pa. Ge, kwento mo yan eh. Oo na. Oo na. Oo na, boy. Emotion. Yes, girl. Opo, ate. Hello. Hello, Darwin. Hindi tatamas. Hi, Jimmy. Thank you for the like and follow as well. Hi, Darwin. Hi, Ice. Dinadaan-daanan mo na lang ako, ah. Black ka sa akin mamaya. Magpapapalo kayo sa akin, tapos dadaan-daanan nyo lang ako. Hindi man na kayo magkaisa. Ayoko na sa inyo. Ha-unfollow ko kayo, tapos ibablock ko kayo. Mag-unfollow ulit ako, guys. Nagtatampo na naman ako. Tampururot na naman ako. Mababad trip na naman ako. Mababad trip. Hindi ko na kayo ipapalo. Hindi nyo man lang ako inahay sa akin live, ah. Hindi ko na kayo ipapalo. Open forum na to. Ma-minus na naman yan. Ang konti-konti na lang nasa following ko, ma-minusan na naman. 26. Sige, minusan na naman natin yan. Naiinis na naman ako, guys. Tampuin ka naman. Totoo, matampuin ako. Tignan nyo. Mapapapalo ulit yun, mga yun, pag in-unfollow ko. Sabi nila, bakit mo ako in-unfollow? Wala kayo dyan. Nadaan-daanan nyo na lang ako, ha. Yung isa, in-unfroze niya lang yung ano niya, yung country niya. Sabi niya, unblock mo ako. Tapos in-unblock ko, in-unfroze niya lang yung ano niya. Tapos wala na, dinadaan-daanan niya na lang ako. Siguro para makita yung contribution niya. Mamimilay ka muna ng like 1 month. Hello, ID number. Hi, Ice. Please. Oh, please. Hi, Kurt. Bukas na ulit ako magla-live. Get out muna. Sige na. Sige na, bye. Mag-out ka na. Dapat na ka mag-live, guys. Ay, mag-end. Malapit na ako mag-end, guys. Okay. Ang cute mo, te. Bye, bye, bye. Hi, uwi. Nulito ako. Nanalo ako ng 5. May fam ka na? Meron na. Lisa could not go against her own conscience. Then came the moment to announce the winning essay. Lisa had 3 Hi, Akiyo.
The winner was America is Still Okay. The boy was willing to share the honor with the other contestants. It was Lisa's speech that reminded them that the price of
Hi,
freedom is
Mia.
vigilance. The Simpsons family was going to Washington on the plane. While flight attendants were distributing meals in the cabin, a passenger suddenly reached out his hand. The flight attendant mistakenly thought she had accidentally bumped into the passenger and apologized to him. At that moment, the passenger set his sights on another flight attendant who he used the book to hide his hand as he reached out.
There's only you and me.
She didn't dare to resist. Not long after, she
Hi, Rainier.
her colleague noticed something was off. After hearing her story, the colleague was furious and immediately went out to confront the passenger.
Hi, Muko. I had the number.
Claiming there was no evidence and pretending to know nothing. The heated arguments soon caught the captain's attention. After understanding the situation, the captain approached the new flight attendant.
Hi, Promo.
Stressed and upset, the captain decided to bring the passenger to justice. She quickly gave up her
Hi, Yoyo.
there was no evidence they needed to create it, but it required the flight attendant.
Hi, Kush.
The captain then accompanied her back to the passenger who was still infected with violence. Even when the captain said they
I had the
already
number.
passenger scoffed, thinking it was just a plot. The captain told him that the flight attendant
Live ka, malamang.